Hello friends, my name is Deepak and I'm going to be your host for today's tax segment of our show. Today we are going to talk about bankruptcy. So if you're considering doing a bankruptcy, or you may have already done a bankruptcy, or maybe you have a property that might be in foreclosure, or you're trying to do a short sale, or maybe some other credit related issue going on that might be forcing you to go into a bankruptcy, or maybe you know someone who has gone through bankruptcy. What are some of the tax consequences you need to answer? To get that answer, we have a special guest with us, none other than famous certified public accountant from Fremont, Sanjiv Gupta. So Sanjiv ji, welcome to our show.
Good morning, Deepak ji. Yeah, today's topic is bankruptcy proceedings. I know a lot of people are in the process of filing bankruptcy, or they want to get information on the bankruptcy proceedings. So I just want to touch basic factors, basic chapters which are applicable to individual or corporations. The first one is Chapter 7. So Chapter 7 is applicable for individual or corporations or LLCs or whatnot. So in this Chapter 7, you can file full bankruptcy, means whatever debts you have, they can waive total debts on the bankruptcy. Of course, the IRS tax lien is a subject where they may or may not be fully discharged, but it may give you some relief on that Chapter 7 when you do the Chapter 7 filings, bankruptcy filings. So Chapter 7 is complete bankruptcy filings. That is that you can look at Chapter 7 as the last resort, not in the first resort. First resort will be Chapter 11, which is available to individuals. What you can do, like if you have a reorganization plan, if you need some time to reorganize yourself, to reorganize your debts, you know your business is a good business, but because of debts and other things, you were not able to give time earlier. Now you know the product, you know that you have the time, so you can ask the court for a reorganization plan. The court is very lenient in those areas. They can give you some time to reorganize yourself. They can ask the creditors to give you some time, and definitely that's Chapter 11. You can always look at Chapter 11 as a breathing time for you to get back to your business, and don't worry about all the debts and just do your business. So Chapter 11 is the first resort. Chapter 13 is also available. That will come in as a second resort, I will say. That is also available for individuals basically, and it also offers benefits. But there are certain complications in Chapter 13 as compared to Chapter 11. So if I am an individual or a corporation and having some debts, and if you want to continue my business, definitely Chapter 11 is the way to go. Chapter 7, if you are not able to do anything, or bad debts are mounting so much on our head that you can't sustain, or you want to get some breathing time outside your life, or you want to spend some time like normal life, definitely Chapter 7 is the way to go.
So there you go, friends. If you are thinking about filing a bankruptcy, or you know someone who might be filing a bankruptcy, it might be good advice to consult with your CPA and kind of find out where do you sit as far as tax consequences are concerned. I'm pretty sure your attorney might be able to help you with that as well, but a lot of attorneys don't specialize in taxation part of the law. Most of them only specialize in bankruptcy. So that can be a little tricky taking advice from them. So it's a good idea to involve CPA while you're making that big step. So if you want to consult with Sanjiv ji, you can call his office. That number is 510-825-7563, or you can visit him online at sanjivcpa.com. His office is located in Fremont on Paseo Padre. He's very close to a Fremont BART station, so you can definitely visit him via BART, or like I said, you can visit him online at sanjivcpa.com. Sanjiv ji also do phone consultation, so if you're kind of far away, you want to just give him a call and consult over the phone, he can definitely do that. We can also arrange a video conferencing if you would prefer that, or So give Sanjiv ji a call once again. That number is 510-825-7563, and he can answer your questions off here. So friends, we'll be back next week with more tips on tax. So till then, goodbye and thank you.